Kiama kirogam.
JKA iko wima,
iko imara,
imesimama kidete.
JKA imesija.
Tumesija.
It's back to basics, especially Ruga. You see the hustle and bustle, and the way it was alive in Geshagi. Now it's calm.
It's back to norm.
It's a calm after the storm. You see one, Ruga gets quite Sunday. Nado tia ige ora no ne mathiete mabise no thiko ici rugongori andu ni mahangire
muno.
You see Tene notably Tene andu matiarokaga kundu wira rugongo wira wari mugunda thiko ici ni ukora mundu ni athia wira kangi macoka yego
ninge mawira ni maingehire.
Yes, mundu ni ahingũrie wira kanorero acoka okiamara and this mobility
mundu ruta kawira ga supply ni athiururuka ta sub county ngima in a day.
Exactly. Mundu ikara mero no ni ari cuguri ciake mbiri muranga well biri
biri now is from way back.
Biri de wajido
ndukiri hindi hindi ria ngongo cietagwo na roko
roko 14
14.
Yes, riu thaisi aria me rugongori especially andu aria matari na mabise maigiri it is relatively calm. Yes, ona ngui tirakuga unnecessary
ona irakugira ki.
Yes, tondu ndora mekuni aria mararikirie form 4 andu aria marenda kuhumukanga. You see there people every year people relocate.
Yes,
and some permanently. He mundu ranogire Nairobi last year nego ikara gicagi miaka ingi tetatu kanena. Yes,
migration happens every year.
Yes, so the new immigrants aria marathiete gicagi ona one way ticket now they are coming to terms. Yes,
riu ni hindi mundu ageria go catch up.
Yes, ukaheto suirio ukirete ki kona ya gasao ni gaikeria to mahuti wala kende kaiketo mai. Yes,
ukaria raizi kundu kungira muthenya ni undu wa gukirari.
Yes,
miti yahurwo ni ruhuho ri
kwaja misindano
no iguaga
neria riga ini eri ukaigua ikinogora it is serene.
mabati ni undu wa riwa gwakana muno ri ukaigua magekeka.
Yes, it's a contraction, expansion and contraction. Ha ni hale riu wakoraga riri ni muikaragite ni wa Nairobi ni macokire no thiku cia Nairobi tene mundu kundu gwokitwo ni mundu wa Nairobi ri kiria giothe moka nakio packaging ndiateagwo.
Asa.
Yes, na andu atene Nairobi ri moka na drinking chocolate makamenywa yothe
mugatigirwo kibaba.
Yes, kibaba kiu mutiateaga maikara u akiroro mama kwaja tutiroragio roya agicikoka
ukabuta.
Yes, yurera goginyo osone
chocolate.
Yes, hedio mwina kakato ni ka Britania. Yes, heta taguro kete na Britania kato ni theri ya kata dikiraga thini mutieheretie warare akona ini ukona riu ire ireti cia soda cia kuwe kugirwo ciarehetwo tariki imwe CMT. Yes,
kamenya riu mwe gutumanirwo ni mwene nduka.
Yes, na ni wathi oguo if your horoscope is the lucky one okorwo star yaku ni rakiri ugathi guciora oguo ugakora mufanto tari mukunu
ukamenya bado nyota iko,
especially andu wa Taurus thiko icia matiro magira stars. Stars ni twathoma ngatheti-ini muno ya star today karirikana ma le makasiri makuretiana ukiretie ki ukirete ki no one is even bypassing
otire.
Yes, wako ndo arekirie form 4 riu weteiro ari go okore ndio mutike no rari roketi ndari arafa in leverage nio fatara ta mweri kuigana na ke
kuigana na system ya kundu ku
tondu rogo ni urono ka compete for the meager
resources and chances.
Yes. And by the second week of January, the girls in the rural areas now know you are a reject from Nairobi. Attention. Nimari realize
hapa
wadi ni arakiuga ura sengi igere akauga no botofu.
No kai.
Yes. No, they would know. Okaje roko tuika a very serious loan range. Okamenyu makuma thomeru okay.
Bahasa.
Mena huyu. Ai udarasoka.
Ukageria te guthie mungetho kona kou muthenya ri.
Yes. People are busy. Yes.
Everybody is up and down.
They are either busy or not there. Ukona ugathie haria mungetho. We muico toni ora mungetho otheri. Ukana hobuka rugore reso ngoma ciaka konai oko tiraithi. You try getting to something and you can realize that one day can be very long.
No muthenya umwe ni ukuraihagira
no menye rugogori if your proximity to the school is near no you agegere
utaraga lesson 1 iyo ni ngengere ngio ni lesson ya thira kaigua ni gwathio bureki ngengere ingi igiri ni gwathio ranji
no aigua taikarete thiku igiri sofa
na ni muthenya umwe.
Yes kaigua kwa uro ngengere ya thaa 10 ukemera riu ni hindiki
ni meinoko ayarutwo.
Yes no kamenya tondu rafangite guikara ku mieri 3 ri ugie leverage ri ukamenya that is your routine for the next 3 months.
Yes ukagua hey.
Yes ndio mara cima yorokete na mone mathiru
ni uskavejete around. Riu ukona nguo cia gutinda ku ni kwa nguo cia gutinda.
Actually, I didn't have very many clothes. No amahurie nacio the irio ko nacio. You will see a long day.
Muno
Mwakora kuso wanda irofi ari yoko mwakora rune akinyire ginya handu he is making himself useful ni aramwetera rugini amuheraji
we keep our busy ko ginyo gacohia mutu wako hangira ithanwa kana icembe.
Yes
no kari hangira
ni kana gathondeka mwatu no ka oshuria kia no kari ya muri hau ginya ria wathondeka kago etongo goyo njoke ciuke. Yes
ndakihingo kiraumanite ri ukaripea
ugakioya gitwarage giteguthie komete thi
na andu thigira gwite ri ugacokia.
By the time andu mayuka April ri ni urariga oyo twamwitaga
aya ni ndangirathi
ni wairira guku ko tindaga nja they take a very long oruru ucio wa Nairobi kwehera.
No it feels very fast
tondu rogo ndungitinda nyumba.
Acha
Yes
you ndungitinda nyumba.
Yes you move around
and you beat the weather around.
Yes mayuka April tondu wene wairwo ketire ri wakona ni waramba supply na thukuma tondu ni waire tuta
uhandite na kamera.
Yes karoko na ruhoro wa huruta iratathi igoko hari ori tari kwegekie kumbe niria keki iria ciokete na jemi mai ikurikania ingredients sugar
na carbon manufacturer.
Yes
uikaraga uguo nginya ukamenya mathaa ma wira.
Yes
ukamenya riu ago ni hindi ya riua ri gukiragwo tene ukima wira mugwanja inyanya citana kinya tondu he andu riri hiuha
waumira ranji you're done for the day. Yes. And no one is giving you a lot of attention.
Riu mathaa ma attention ni mathiru
onorageithio casually
ng'ania
ai muthoni
ie na uru
uracoka gwakayo
aca ndirari na karutha
kirimange guku ni kurima turimaga
na ndikamuti ndirendia hau ndware mwana thukuru ungikeigua mundu renda gwatura mbao ri ndikamuti ndiraneana hau
na aratakwa WhatsApp ana Nairobi ukimere ndi na makara before you catch up, relocating back to the rural areas, and the core raithi. It's a journey. Okay, kaigirana na system. You know, at some point you have to also reduce pace. Uigiane na okahora.
No ko muduru nake athia akanyita rithimu. Ukamukora kugurigwo kana niwe.
Kana ukaigwa na Nairobi ndagacoka riu. Yes. Ukaigwa niwe breeder watu cu. Yes. Reure Matumbi
mayai
era roina gorwa mwombo korinyagira Matumbi rwa HM
Karaoke.
Yes
mayai
actually Stacy might not understand that tondu akora Matumbi makiururio kwende Matumbi monanagio toga
and opulence,
heavy opulence.
Matumbi.
There's even a song. Twariaga mboco iri mbucang iria ciana ciao iraria Matumbi. Aigua ria theka.
Matumbi matiheagwo everybody.
Matumbi no, muchiwani ya Matumbi rita muchione yago peanut butter omuthi. Matumbi.
Kwaja kuria ruro ri.
Atio kaimati mucio cio ri. Rukenge rwao rurajirie gwitwara ri. Ruko rurite miromo ruci to ni ruhuragirwo Matumbi maya.
Meri. Matumbi matiare ma everybody ona mucie.
Yes. Never mind go to the mucio takoragwo guku. But those chickens were, I think they were just good for the ecosystem. Kuhuria kiara gumburania ki. Soil organisms.
And leave manure here and there.
Yes, yeah, that's what I'm saying now. Ecosystem. And getting rid of small rodents and snakes. Otherwise, when it came to what they gave us, nothing.
The economic output was very meager.
Actually, millennials. And I think millennials, we are the ones who bear the brand of the Itumbì haneka ithuĩ hau. Yes. Kireti kia Matumbi twakiona turi agima muno.
Turea Matumbi ihũire Matumbi ka.
Yes.
Andu amwe mona uguo mari agima
na nikiona millennials turi kahuthira kare wa supermarket ri ni ugura Matumbi mare makona gature kare ka Matumbi ni matandatu. Yes. Ture one ko ture gicagi matuko mau. Okay, mugiruta ko Matumbi thate
kare kimwikaga
ona heo iture.
You see, for one, ona gucokaniria Matumbi thate kwari okuritu.
Yes.
For one, agoro ni muigite agoro sana moiga magukomereria.
Yes.
Maria magiri. Somewhere along the way.
Yes.
Will find their way on the plate.
Yes. Or alternatively, if you had many chickens that would lay eggs, they were kienyeji Pro Max. You supply to the hotel.
Yes.
Lego ti kwedo marerete gukuna matiumite marirete Matumbi maita magitara 10.
tondu kaingi kwanja wi mwana kuheo itumbĩ ri unless you are very sick
no
in fact urarorwo koneka to ngitutiga
actually you're almost flatlining
hau niho ahuragirwo itumbĩ
ora gathimika ngoro gathia zigzag you're almost flatlining
hau niho ngehuriirwo itumbĩ
you're almost clinically dead
matesti kana fiyo uri oho
wariraga magakurekereria
makauga uyu mwana
nĩ witũ nau
na ngai atha icu gucemania na itumbĩ ri ya
ai no that umenye kwanja na gukuna cio nĩ ciarĩ they were also mean wild fowls tondu rĩrĩ ciarekagiria ngirĩrĩ baine cia ngiri
you see rĩu ngũkũ icio cietagwo free range cia kũrekio igatinda ikiũrũra ikĩhuria
literally semi wild
icio ciarĩ nyamũ cia gĩthaka
nĩ nganga
na nĩkĩo nyamũ etetĩkagĩra kũrekeria mũciĩ
yarekagĩria gĩthaka
yathiaga gĩthaka kũrekeria kuo
acio nĩ andũ aingĩ mona ngũkũ yauma na kĩanda na kĩ
na njui mwana mũcũnũ wanyu wathũndia na tũcui tũtandatũ
mũkarigua haya na hĩndĩ mũgara mũcũnũ nĩ wairwo kana nĩ umagĩra ũgoka mũciĩ ũkaigua mũndũ auga na mũcũnũ ũyũ nĩ ũkomeire
nganga gũkũra nganga rĩ ũhe handũ ũkomeire no gũtirĩ mũndũ wĩna idea ĩkomeire kũ
exactly
ũgagĩtask ũkerwo rĩu ĩkĩhĩ use your intelligence ũriĩrane na ngũkũ ĩyo nginya ũmenye kũrĩa ĩkomeire
ũmĩrũmĩrĩre ta DCI without blowing your cover
ũrĩa DCI ĩrũmagĩrĩra mũndũ kana NIS haturaki
nawe rĩ wathiĩ wamĩturaki rĩ wona matumbĩ nĩmo mau rĩ you would try to estimate makomeirwo ihinda rĩigana you menya kana you can consume two
and not declare to the authorities
rĩmwe nĩ wamahũra ũgakora they are very developed nĩ tũcui
is beyond edible
kana ũgakorana namo ũkamenya ngũkũ nĩ ĩrekagio kerwo ũmĩturaki ũgacemania na ma ĩreketie matumbĩ 10 na mau
na matatũ
13
ũkamenya bas
ugathiĩ rĩu harĩa harĩ OB Karen's book Oka report
declare goods found,
incidents reported, goods recovered, 6 eggs
instead of 13.
Then you iron out and figure out how you are going to do wash to the 7. Todo geria openly.
Asa. Kuria openly ku ni kuyanirira.
You cannot fry them. Todo go fry to berry. The whole aroma will fill the entire village.
Ona mundu efana ni akumenya kundu ku ni kwarugo matumbi.
Na itumbĩ rĩrĩa amba rĩkaiba. Rĩu amba ũgathathaũra maya mũgwanja ũkamatiga handũ rungu rwa mũkondo kana marigũ-inĩ
ũkahitha
ũkambatia marĩa ũkũndikirĩa
noguo andũ mareka biacara-inĩ
nĩ thirikari makũndikirĩa ũgoka namo na ũkahũrwo rũhĩ na tondũ authority nayo ndĩramenya you have hoarded ũkarigwo andũ na rĩrĩ
na rĩmwe
you see you have taken more than
the family.
System yatigwo na matano. You have 8.
We tondu wa declare maya matandatũ ri. Ũgakĩriwa andũ na rĩmwe as the one who found out the den where you are chicken lay eggs. The only way you could deal with them was to boil. Kana a very daring exercise yakoragwo ya mwĩri ikoni wataima maitũ wauma karikia rungurua mũhu no gakira
na rĩo rĩngĩahutirio nĩ gakara
rĩhũre
tatia gas menya nĩ ahũra rĩgateng'ũra kĩrĩa kĩriko
nawe ũkũrihwo ũrore hamwe
ona nyũkwa ĩcokeria gũka gwe kai
akĩhutithia ikara
na kwa umwe rĩu athiaga na gacirihia kauma na merĩ ũgetua wathiĩ call of nature ugakiria ta capsules matumu kirenda
no kahura miromo
yes na hari undu ungieru kuo urio
neke weru kuo
utiene guthepea
ureira matumbe ku mau ne matumbe ureira matumbe ku
ukaigwa ru brother yaku uga atiri hena karogo sote ona hari akioro karigwa sign out snitch nende kompup
no maya mugwa jota na declare
yes
ona no mahuthagira gwika bata trade
yes
mukaria we na imwana muthomaga nacio
yes
ringi wiki ndu rendaga na ndura na shekeri
yes
wakira riu tucenjania matumbe matano na nguongerere 30 une gathungura kara ka maitho matune
yes karia California white the no yake fu
era ka maitho matune
yes just that way you would hold the system and live in Ruga
yes
I think those were the breeding grounds of the modern day corruption. Matumbi menye mari yago ni thoguo and in some cases mohujia wanyua cera
thoguo rimwe just when he felt like asserting authority
yes
auga gono kou ndero na matumbi maigana huriro meri
ahura meri marako mraigirira riku eriku irakomereria meira manana le hura meri no tinangirie nyanya iguru
mumenye who is the boss there
yes and sometimes the man of God would also have the pressure
Noro cio ndwakenagia athuri
matiakena ni mona ata man of God ta
he's taking his place
yes there's even a song that is dramatized by Kuiya wanyu kutoka ono shua miru kinaegi muthe ni wari tuheirwo and you see what would happen mutungatiria huriro meri ri muthuri nake ni ahuragirwo meri uruhoro ucio ndugagie scandal
tondu nake no scandalize horo
riu akiuga ndahurwo tondu mutungatiri ni okire na sifu
ina sifu
sifu ri muka furu ri ni aguthagirwo maya
meri
na karehwo na thani iri ae namo ina ihwa gatagati
kana kaigwa ni gwate mono kuma kwa maitungwa mukuru
yes
murega ndironi mami ngo ni muigeire matumbere mutiongerera matumbe nguku itu ni komeire
ni komeire maigana
ina matandatu
tomurenda komere maigana
takenda kana 12
ne gukwiriku
ni mucunu iria itu
ele komagire wega muhemana inge ikodi yo ne turikagia
mukamenya your stock has been depleted
and you know when you give out your eggs you will ask for a chicken in return matumbi ona mendio duka cia gicagithio tumete kuo
yes
mutie duka endagia matumbi
ko
matumbi
ona mako mikawa na tiothe
ndi matumbi makinyi mari yelu thaka muno yes hore matumbi tuma ba ni matumbi ni macururagia rugio haria rucuragio
yes
matumbi materuga ona thufuria
hapana
ni rugio yes akiuraga ona matumbi maruguo ri rugio rweherio hau ri makinithagia ngima
oigwa tawari ngima na itumbi
still on TBT you see thaici ndaigua ceri make complain horo wa uniform uri iragia goro na uniform tie ciagia raithi
ya ciari ni manate tona ni nguona gatheti guthomaga I think it was a Daily Nation
nakoja me complain ngariri kuria nginya riu maraciboco cigura thukuru ri the schools are overpricing
yes ya ciari mena itetari ya uniform kugia goro muno na gucenjio muno
ukaigwa kuracenjio Purofa, Jiagaki, and the colors as well.
Kwaja aciari marauga uhoro wa mwana ati tondu ni athie junior secondary within the same institution. Ukona uniform the ngurani ri is costing them for nothing.
Nä twacigårire nä twagårire
aciari marauga kä å ndå kä u kä ninwo
rä u uniform iroka ya junior secondary primary rwagå ra maita maya
merä
ä junior secondary kä rä o compound ĩmwe
marauga hatirä bata gå na uniform maita merä ngårani na mwana arä the same institution.
It is true amwana citirakorwo igirä te
ningä akiuma hau acenjia gå thiä grade 10 uniform
mupya sasa hiyo ni shule nyingine. Nä makirorerwo hau tårorerwo twä ta aciari please.
Rä u nä ite tarä aciari
no rä u ithuä tå rä anini rä uniform nacio itiagåragwo as much as they are bought today.
Uniform rä ndwagåragä rwo atä uniform frequent rä
umenye mbere ya uniform tene rĩ ngora yarĩ matamata. Taruru nyatha rwa tene rĩ tirwo rwani aci nĩ matirio ya nyatha nĩ ta yathirire
ce matirio iria ciĩkuo mũthĩ ti iria ciarĩ kuo tene.
He kĩnyatha kĩhana kĩa ndarũa gĩa kahũa
na nĩkĩo waringagwo gĩkagamba
na nä kä arä mondo må mä rä ru må no tondå nä gä akuaga gä theri mbakå githeri kä å mithie wega rä nä wona kä hä kä rathio gä snakaga
kä haro gä thaka må bira gaikia thanda igä rä kanua gå rathaka na kinyatha gä aikagio ikondo na nä rä a gä kå yå ti haci no menye tå tiakä gå ragä rwo atä nguo fitting wagå ragä rwo nguo nene nä getha å thiathiange nayo
nä aroragwo mileage. It was very futuristic waragä rwo wagå rä rwo wanu rä å kamenywo nä gä gå kinyie kä ndå 3 andå hau nä ho mwana araihå kagä ra rä u å cenjerio 4
å gä thiä 4 cenjerio nayo nao å tindä ke nayo mä aka ä rä tatå
na nä wona tå mwana tå mwe tå hä kanyatha gake rä nä araihå kie no mbia itia ironeka anathe na ka hot pan to gakuehire tene
mwana nä araihire no rä u gå tiä kuoneka mbeca cia kå må gå rä ra uniform ä ngä
rä u gä itå ra nä rä akĩraga må ciari ombä he nawe gå rä ra kariåki kä nyatha ä no kä ana ya thä-inä
arute kang'å gake nako
wona mä thirimo rä a mä tari raihire
nä o hunyå kä te
wakä gå ragä rwo uniform. It was rare acio andå aingä rä primary school matiagå rä rwo uniform maita maya mathiä te må no
merä wä rwa primary na wä ha mid upper
na ti å cokio riko nä kå rorwo kä rä a gä thiu må no
ti full makeover no
nä wonwo kinyana burana rwä nä twarä ya nä å ndå wa malnutrition
na ningä ni frustration cia ndethikire twatåmagä ra rä nacio itiarä very friendly nä ya gå kunyagä ra burana ĩkambũka
the finishing ciahå ragwo randa rä u nä yambũkaga no naguo kwana oro guo rä tondå gwakä rä o wagi wa cekeri rä nä wakoraga harä o tå mä ciä we either they have external donors who are kind to them and their cost rä u nä wakoraga he andå maragå rä rwo uniform almost every year.
The parents were not badly off.
They have some monetary, you know.
They had the power of the pocket.
Might. Rĩu nĩ wakora harĩa arĩa magũragĩrwo uniform.
Iyo mwaka.
I know it was a heinous crime gũthiĩ polling station school na uniform njerũ ĩtarĩ nyandĩke rĩtwa.
Are you mad?
That is actually inviting even people who are not thieves. You are recruiting them.
Ukaithie nguo njerũ.
Na ndiũĩ ka thĩnaga nĩ mũru mũno no batie watua gũka ũkaharaganio njĩra mũgwanja tondũ wakoraga weri nĩ waiya burana deliberate njerũ chwa
ũkaiya maki mũhĩwi
na ndũkũiyo harũkie aikia bagi wakinya mũciĩ mũciĩ nake akamĩconsider answered
prayer criminal.
So you work in Kahoot to do the wash. Todo muziaina mana aramenya piu. Raina mufago wa okugurira furana. Wamba okoria tiriri. Woire hao. Uwe ni edio ega ni agwa karugo.
Aya, tene itoka.
Edio hao. Dekwa hao dole kila script. Ya coming soon.
The coming soon.
Teaser ago di kwira andu atiri. Mamwe ni akagurira furana athie thoko.
Gakira.
So that you cannot wow and raise
alarm
suspicion. Okay, your script here. Coming soon to a cinema near you. And a mom near you and Yakagora Frana February Adi Keria Yahuru.
Kwa jage koro mwalimu ni yako nete.
Yes.
Na ngoni fulana yo dukano kenayo January.
Yes.
Ugacho na fulana yaku ile ya debo ka.
Yes.
Mwalimu wako. Ndakulie ndo kena fulana yo.
Mamu alisema atanunulia
lini?
February. When you ramanya wega, the consignment is home.
You are just buying time.
Kwa kade kare swali yako.
On stolen property.
Yes, they even put your clan name there. Shameless. Muhari.
Hade ko agigo ine.
Masi. Warwenu. Makaro nande yo observe. Makama yale okabo okaripot ya tiriri. The coast is clear. Todo mundo raire fulana ri. Nitagure iru egi. Kogu horo cio ni
urathi uhorete.
Yes. Then on the February when it reaches, you bounce. You drop it like it's hot.
You debut.
Your arrival is the event. We get the friend in. Acquired resources. Even the person you stole from admires you.
One to them.
Yes, they are clueless that they are the source.
Ona probably ni mariganirwo ni mairio pura na njeru.
Ona ko mati yakiguriirwo eki. And just like that, Indo yashoka system win.
Zimeoshwa.
Yes. Hiyo ni wash ya early days. Wakana ba yukero migena hau.
Igena theini.
Abe thiage na konia kandafu. Kasi yet.
Ngana bataraitha ya KTDA.
No goko de no marori. No kurata gazu. Because honestly speaking, nyokwa na thoguo probably ona go botera erega mucie mwaka muthiru gutire mbeca
na gutie na muyo kwa mbeca kuoneka anytime soon.
Yes. Na andu acio ngithie kwao bari o mere magure mwana kiria bagi ni megukwareria uru ukamenya ni ngai uragayania ki
indo
mucie cio kona mana
from heaven.
Atai mere atiri nyugathie NAIROBI watata wanyu wa satellite na ugathie na script ngathie NAIROBI gataitwa satellite na ngurire bagi gata imogitiro ni citone arari pureseiro na nne ngaguriro teo
no matie no kumaharirio ramahari.
No, you are very aware the decoy is at home. Okamesuria ciandaine with pride. Na okyo uciarairwo kirathi mwarimu aya ukura tonyo nawe na bagi
jeru
kwira kani ukira for urban
finally no iga konia thi.
Yes, no kahetuka mundu yora ire totamu. No guy ni haira ado my economic crimes. Chamo the boss. Petty economic crimes.
Petty. Good to clarify.
Petty. It's good to add that adjective.
Not mega.
Petty. Yes. No le mwone katifu kaga.
Wako hegi nini na taraka bithania script
kana riri kana wako ana keri arairengia mwenzake inkwa yare karaiha. No, we are from the struggle. Salimiwa na Wambogo sana.
Wambogo mgani?
Ni mrafiki wetu wa Hi-Res Audio. Alafu kuna bumps mumesahau sana. Sapare Toro.
Oh, Toro.
Iyo no tukishone katarezi ya Toro. Yes, they are quite a number.
Icio cia kito ni undu wa
icio ndigo cia no cia bekweherio.
No icio no cia kwamba kweheria na rua. To ni nyona muico handu hau no tukarihio bara.
Kweli.
No, there is a reason handu hau hakirwo guo. And you remember sometimes last year kaundu kau ni karokite andu mabururuka muno karamba karakirirwo.
Yes.
Gakuri habara.
Chochoke ututhi Singapore kizwari habara.
Na kaundu kau no kariuka. There is a reason ni barabara yo yakirwo guo hau.
Actually it was supposed to be it has been a toll station since. Ne ya koguo nigetha twari hari. Tukari haka ora mundu athiete.
Na ni turakireirwo expressway.
Yeah, they
above the super highway.
No ene wengi na umeri tatu tuyo ukoro girigiri.
Ukoro girigiri na mieri 6 na utiri wira urathi na mbere tha ici.
Yeah.
You remember I casted my doubts muthenya ucio wa mieri 6.
No, you casted your aspersions quite clearly.
And clearly you can tell.
Yes, a month is gone already.
A month is nearly gone, almost a month.
We are 5.
Mieri 6 ukinya girigiri ndirona.
Well, let's be realistic. Tondu bara ithe ndegwa kuo kuma aria ni Rironi.
Kuma Rironi.
All the way. Na hario iria kuharuruka riu escarpment. That bit is actually has a lot of work.
Escarpment hena wira.
Wira mwingi.
Hena wira mwingi.
Yes.
Escarpment hena wira we.
No, ni kibarua kikubwa.
Yes. Na ukumbuke mkandarasi ni mmoja.
Ni mmoja.
Yes.
Well, so the underestimate capacity yake to no division yake ya labor is impeccable.
Ni mukandarasi ona actually I think nube wakire the Nairobi Expressway. So
no, his work is his record is okay.
His record is okay.
Yeah, fatania ni abagu.
Atane kiondo gikorwo ho.
Yes.
Wiro ore magane bia.
But let's be very realistic. Farayo tira ireke na tamu eno turi.
Tiraithi.
Yes.
Tiraithi tamu etigetie thiko cigana.
Turari horo atamu riu ya ino ya miaka 5.
Niyo ndirori up to 2027. Hena kindu mwaka na
no, it could be done.
No, ikoro ya kagito no iko itarikite fiu.
Yes. No 6 months ya ni cia girigiri.
Gukinya girigiri.
Which is still a tall order.
Acha tuseme ni pagumu kidogo kwa sababu
Thika Road ilitengenezwa na muda gani yote?
Thika Road yakirwo na kindu about 2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
Whether it's not feasible to have it at Girigiri in 6 months.
Niye de ya kuma Rironi guthie Mau Summit ni 175 kilometers.
Neno ya kuma Musiam guthie Thika ri was not even 40, was it?
It was 42 kilometers.
42. So now do the math. Okay, never mind. Mokandrazi you know akekire heavy equipment.
No, Moshainos, you know, they could have capacity, yes.
Yes.
But again, the timelines
And you know there are very many factors as well. Weather, what have you. Vanilla the Karodia the superhighway at your 209 22 off.
Yes, so around 3 years.
3 years.
Oneno ndirameha ni hakwa ta mundu kiumbe no ya rironi mau summit ndirameha miaka 3
yes
gwakwe nginya rike
nayo neitirwo heavy manpower
yes
heavy equipment so it's a long stretch
kilometer 75 tinini and remember it's also a busy road near the traffic wega
the traffic that is the first reason why we actually putting it up
yes no ha ukinya girigini mieri 6 ahureke twambe twirane hiyo yes kan hiyo na yes kan kama saa hii kasi haiendelei
yes
tondu kuma riria muthenya uria arugururio ko wira wambirie immediately
we would actually
they would have done some bit of groundwork
yes na technically you see even doing a maisonette ya bedroom yana meri 6 unless you're na mose ina nale thimiti uma na thiko nini muno yes ajiwa thimiti yoko we wake yes
oguo no tukia simu nake agukana thimiti wake
thimiti ndaigueta mokaga na wao
oguko guti duonekaga
hewe
kana ni goro uri
anga wa ndaraca-ini
iwi wa ndaraca-ini ule uma na ihenya wa mai-ini
yes
no bado kwa miezi 6 kufika Girugiru hiyo sioni
Maina expressway took 18 months
expressway
yes that is 1.5 years
mwaka na nugu and one of the expressways was
expressway ideally weka ground work ya the pillars ishikisia constructor wasio kashikaigirirwo yes
agwe ciakagwo off site ikarehwo
yes
rironi mau summit mimi naipea miaka 3
we really want to see that road niturenda erike
mundu wothe angenda barabara ona yabatie kwanjia tene muno
yes
na riu ni kurike ngirarika korwo ni yanjitie rire yari yambie around 2020 late 2022
yes ine igithiete muno
thaici ni kurike ngirarika if not done riu wacha kwanza kazi ianze kwa sababu saa hii hakuna kazi inaendelea
Yaze.
Oh yes. Binashara atigia dakika 4.